What's up, homie? So today I'm gonna be showing you some tricks by my big dog Ray. Come here, Ray. Ray. Come here, Ray. Come here, Ray. Ray. So I was cleaning my room. Come here, Ray. Yeah, he just came in here and started doing tricks. Okay, Ray, sit, Ray. Alright, I'm gonna set y'all up so he don't see, so he don't notice. I'm gonna put your bum right here. Come here, Ray. Sit, Ray. Sit, Ray. Good boy. Y'all saw that, right? Ain't my dog smart. Stand. Ray, stand. Paw, Ray. Paw. Ray, paw. Well, we did the stand. Paw. Okay, so he did it, but I don't think the camera caught it. So y'all saw the sit because like Ray's really smart. Like I'll tap my leg and he'll come, and I'll be on the other side of the room and he'll know we're going outside. Like he knows that. But let's all take a minute to admire my background. Hey, that's a sketch of me. I got it at a festival and I got it for free because the man said I was really hot. Okay, and this is a painting I drew at my birthday party to turn 10. This is a poster I got at school. This is a poster I got at school. I won this at a baby shower from my cousin. This is an Emoji Movie calendar. And then I have this poster. I won this one along with that one and that one. And then I have this photo of Aubrey Graham. Is it Audrey or Aubrey? Comment down below. And then I have my set of books. And then I got my little sewing machine right here. Then I got my radio. And then I got but I'm getting on my bed to show you this. My fa la 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 sign. Because as we all know, Christmas is coming up. And I just checked it all off because I don't feel like having to check it every day. So I just take it all off. I don't know if I should do that though because I really want to. Okay. Guys, so I just stepped on my hot glue gun and it hurt really bad. Alright. I'm going to show you the clothes I'm wearing to church on Sunday. Move my stuff. I'm gonna put this on my bed. It's time for a little bit of camera magic. And it's there. So this is what I will be wearing to church on Sunday. Okay, let's all just take a minute. Ooh, I fell. To admire this beautiful dress that my cousin Lacey got me. Well, my aunt / cousin Lacey got me this with a little help from my aunt. Shout out to Alacia. And as you can see, I'm cleaning my room. With that, and then I got another picture of Aubrey Graham. And then my other picture of her is over here. I did her makeup in this picture. I like these pictures because like she's so pretty in them. Like, okay, so I didn't know if you noticed this, but check out her necklace. It's pearls in this crystal right here. And then come look over here, the exact same necklace. Hashtag hand me down, hashtag family heirloom. Cause this is her, like when she grew up. I'm gonna stick my phone and see if it. Well, it doesn't. Okay, so this is my closet door. I had like a bunch of gel stickers. Like, as you can see, there's still a mark here, a mark here. Well, actually, this one made this mark. But the mark here, this one over here made this mark. And a mark here. I don't know if you can see that one too well. And then I had a paper flower right here. And I have a mark here, a star mark. I don't know, I don't know if you can see it. A mark up there. But I have this sticker. This is a monster. I have this star. This dream big poster. This star. This star. This star. And this star. So, yeah, I'm rocking that. Then I got my dollhouse down here. This is my little shelf thing for right now until I can get that finished over there. Like, I still got a whole piece under my bed to do. Okay, don't judge me. I don't like to clean up. Like, my parents have asked me for months to do this. Like, since I moved in, they asked me not to dirty up my room, and it just all of a sudden got dirty. Like, guys. But I am doing a collab with Madison Clark, my best friend. She's one of my best friends. I love her so much. She's so nice. And we're doing a collab. It's gonna be on my channel and her channel. So comment down below what you want us to do. We can do a challenge, a prank, or like a Q&A. Like, okay, so I want you to DM me some questions on Snapchat, and I will answer your questions. And so, and we're going if we do a Q&A, you have to DM me the questions on Snapchat. I'm sorry, my annoying brother is messing up my video. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Like, tomorrow I have school, so around not 3, not 4, not 5, around